Assalamualaikum students of class 1. How are you all? I hope that all of you are fine. I'm Aisha, your English teacher, and this video is about your today's homework. Today is 31st January 2022 and the day is Monday. Before we start, let me share an important message that students of group B will do this homework on Monday and the students of group A will do this homework on Tuesday, that is 1st February 2022. So let's start. The topic of your today's homework is shapes names, and you have to do this work on your homework copies. But before we start, let's read together the basic shapes name that we have already studied before. The first shape name is circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Now let's see that what a circle looks like. This is a circle, that is round. Next shape is square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. A square looks like this. Next shape is triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Now what a triangle looks like? Here is a triangle with 3 corners. Next shape is rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Now let's see what a rectangle looks like. Here is a rectangle. Next shape is oval. O-V-A-L. Now let's see what an oval looks like. Here is an oval. These were the basic shapes: circle, square, triangle, rectangle and oval. Now what you have to do is take out your homework copy, your English homework copy. You can see the picture of your English homework copy on your screens. Now open a blank page, write date, homework and day at the top of the page like you always do when you do your homework and classwork. Draw a margin line and write in the first line, draw, color and write the basic shapes. आपने अपना पेज ओपन करना है और उसके ऊपर डेट और डे मेंशन करना है, होमवर्क मेंशन करना है और मार्जिन लाइन लगानी है. उसके बाद आपने फर्स्ट लाइन में लिखना है ड्रॉ, कलर एंड राइट द बेसिक शेप्स. ये एक पेज रेडी किया है मैंने आपके लिए. इस तरह से आपने अपना पेज रेडी करना है. एंड नेक्स्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज़, आपने हर शेप जो अभी हमने पढ़ी है, दैट इज़ सर्कल, स्क्वायर, ट्रायंगल, रेक्टेंगल एंड ओवल, आपने हर शेप का नेम राइट करना है, उसके आगे शेप ड्रॉ करनी है और उसमें कलर्स करने हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क एंड यू हैव टू डू इट नीटली एंड कलर्स शुड ऑल्सो लुक्स नाइस एंड ब्यूटिफुल एंड नीट ऑल्सो. ओके, सी यू टुमारो. अल्लाह हाफिज़.